Hey there, we're here at the French Hand Laundry again with some more cleaning for the Moschino, and I cannot wait to show you what we're cleaning today.
There used to be a brand called Walter Clark.
This one.
And they sold a lot of things.
Born.
They were in Hawaii for a long time.
Shop.
But they're actually.
So this is the coordinating suit to the famous
here in Los
Moschino.
Angeles. But it looks exactly like one of their
Banana.
It's so cute.
And
yeah,
what's so
exactly.
interesting is this was sold as a 3-piece set. And
Yeah.
this vest, you could barely see it in the listing. And it was just tucked under the inside. I'm so excited to get it. We're going to get this dry cleaned today. Yeah, I'm so excited. So this one, we can actually offer for sale because it's not perfect.
Green and green. St. Patrick's
So
Day.
I'm excited. So yeah. So cute in here how they decorate.
Oh yes.
Adorable little aprons.
We have one more.
Over there.
These were all of her hostess aprons.
All right. Thank